Well, today the jury had a question about some of the language in their instructions, signaling that they were at least discussing the portion having to do with compensatory damages. The jury in the Alex Jones Sandy Hook trial asked for some clarification Tuesday as they consider how much Jones will have to pay Sandy Hook families and an FBI agent in damages.
You must attempt to put each plaintiff in the same position as far as money can do it, that they would have been in had the defendant not engaged in the wrongful conduct, end quote. Can you please clarify the meaning of this?
The plaintiff's attorneys wanted to direct jurors to other parts of the charge.
The more specific portions of the charge with regard to emotional distress damages and defamation damages are specific to this case and so provide the most guidance for the jury.
Jones's attorney argued that their question showed that jurors were troubled by the portion having to do with compensatory damages.
I think it would be error to instruct the jury to place less weight on any particular part of the charge. If money can't do it, then money doesn't do it.
The judge eventually giving her answer to the jury.
Focusing on one or two sentences in isolation when considering a jury charge can often be unhelpful or confusing. Therefore, you should not single out particular words, phrases, or sentences, and you should consider the charge as a whole.
Before the end of the day, the jury had a note asking to view Bill Sherlack's testimony. He is the husband of Mary Sherlack, the school psychologist who was one of the first people to be killed confronting the gunman. With no verdict reached Tuesday, the jury will start their day Wednesday with that testimony.
We are going to queue that up and have that ready for you first thing in the morning.
The jury will continue deliberations at 9:45 tomorrow morning, and as we await a verdict, stay with Fox 61 for updates. In the studio, Gabby Molina, Fox 61 News.